My name is Stanislas Ratu. Uh, now I will I will can presentation my project. This topic computer. Okay, a computer is an electronic device designed to process data, performs calculation or programs. I can reserve as input from the Azure process 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 formation and generate output that can be accessed by the Azure. The primary function of a computer is to manipulate data according to commands given. Whether for simple text like word processing or complex text like scientific calculation or graphics processing. Okay, next slide. Okay, a computer consists of both hardware and software. Hardware refers to all the physical components of the computer, such as the CPU, RAM, hard drive, screen, keyboard, and more. Software refers to the programs or application that instruct the computer to perform specific tasks such an operating system and word processing software. Okay, next slide. Okay, input and output device. Input device such as the keyboard, mouse, and microphone access to input data into the computer. Output device such as the monitor, printer, and speaker access to display or communicated results. Okay, next slide. Operating system OS, the software that manages computer resource and enables interaction between users and hardware. Examples: Windows, MacOS, Linux. Okay, next slide. Okay. Main function of a computer: data processing, converting raw data into useful information, communication, sending and receiving data over networks, e.g. the internet, storage, saving data and files, future us. Okay, next slide. Type of computers. That's got computer asset in offices or homes, laptops, portable computers that can be carried around, Tab- tablets and smartphone, portable computers with touch screens. Okay, next slide. Access of a computer, education, online learning, research, and data processing, word processing, spirit, spreadsheets, programming, and graphic design, entertainment, watching movies, playing games, listening to music. Okay, next slide. Calling system computers. Generate headwind running and cooling system like fans or liquid cooling are needed to prevent overheating. Okay, next slide. Okay, motherboards. Motherboards. This is the main circuit board that connects all the computer's components, including the CPU, RAM, storage, and peripheral device. It allows data to flow between the parts. Okay, next slide. Power supply unit, PSU. The PSU converts electrical power from a socket. Necessary voltage and current power the computer's components. Okay. Conclusion: computers are essential tools in daily life. The simplify various tasks in education, work, and entertainment. Okay, thank you. Okay, topic 2, malicious program. Okay, explanation of malicious programs. Malware is described as malicious applications or code that damage or disrupt and endpoint devices so that they cannot function normally. When a device is infected with malware, you may experience unauthorized access, data compromise, or be locked out of your device until you pay a ransom. Okay, next slide. How does a malicious program work? Malware work by using trickery to prevent normally as of a device on cyber criminals gain access to your device through one or more different techniques such as phishing emails, infected file system or software, full, full vulnerabilities, vulnerabilities, infected flash driver, drivers, sorry, or malicious websites. They take advantage of the situation by launching additional attacks, obtaining account credentials, collecting personal information to selling access to computing resources, or extorting money from victims. Okay, next slide. Okay, got it. Of malicious program. Blackout phishing attacks masquerade as a credible source to steal sensitive information via email, website, text message, or other form of electronic communication. They provide a delivery method for malware. Common attacks steal usernames, password, credit card details, and banking information. This type of malware attack can lead to identity theft or money being stolen directly from someone's personal bank or credit card account. Okay, next slide. Spyware. Okay, spyware works by installing itself on a device without a person's consent or adequate notification. On installed, it can monitor online behavior, collect sensitive information, change device settings, and degrade device performance. Okay, next slide. Okay, virus are designed to disrupt by recording, corrupting, or deleting themselves to other device by tracking people into opening malicious files. Okay, next slide. Macro malicious programs. Macro malicious programs. You may be familiar with macros, a way to quickly automate common test. Macro malware exploits this functionality by infecting email attachments and zip files to trick people into opening files disguised as invoice, receipts, and legal documents. Next slide. Worm. Most commonly found in email. Attachments, text message file, sharing programs, social networking, sites, network, shares, and removable drives. Worms spread through networks by exploiting security vulnerabilities and copying themselves depending on the type of worm. It may steal sensitive information, change your security setting, or stop you from accessing files. Okay, next slide. Coin miner. With the rise in popularity of cryptocurrencies, mining has become a lucrative practice. Coin miners as a device computing resources to mine cryptocurrencies. Infection with this type of malware often starts with an an email attachment that attempts to install malware or a website that exploits a vulnerability in a web browser or exploits the computer processing power to add malware to the device. Okay, next slide. Implement advanced email and endpoint protection. Help prevent malware attacks with Microsoft Defender for Office 365. Wide scans lines and attachment in email and collaboration tools such as SharePoint, OneDrive, and Microsoft Teams as part of Microsoft Defender, XDR, Defender for Office 365. Other detection and response capabilities to eliminate malware threats. Okay, next slide. Okay, install program antivirus. The best form of protection is prevention. Organization can block or detect many malware attacks with trusted security solution or anti-malware service such as Microsoft Defender for Endpoint or Microsoft Defender Antivirus. When you ask a program like this, your device fit this scans any file, or like you try to open the help and ensure it safe. If the file or website is deemed dangerous, the program will warn you and advise you not open it. That program can also remove malware from devices that are already infected. Okay, thank you.